Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I bought some coasters at the one of the local thrift stores. I gotta remember that this is the one that you guys can see, and I'm gonna grab a straw and I'm gonna put some color down, and I pre-primed, I put a layer of paint on. One of these has two, and I'm gonna leave one undone, but I'm gonna use some Anita's white metallic for the base of this, some neon from Folk Art, neon pink, a little bit of the Velveeta colors that I made up out of a bunch of leftovers. That's like rolling the wrong way. Turn it around. Here's some Hot Orchid Prism Pour from Color Art. And here's a little dioxazine purple. And I'm going to give myself a little bit of Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold that has orange in it. Is that the last thing I'm going to add in there? Good question. I think I'm just going to do what I have to do. Just put some of my Minwax pre-stained wood conditioner laden Amsterdam Black in there. And I blow out in the center, and then each side. And I really did not get as many colors. As I was hoping for, but I'm kind of new with this. So I blew back in toward the center. That's kind of cool. I'll tell you what, I'm tired of waiting for that to do what I want. So I'm just going to give it some. And since I like that color there, I think I'm just going to add a little more. Alright, so one down. Which I will try and put up on something and zoom in. I'm going to start with, oh boy, I am going to still start with the white because I like how the Anita's white metallic worked in the center. I'm not sure why my turntable is unlevel. It's never, I haven't noticed it being unlevel before. This time I'm going to use some cobalt blue that's a metallic turquoise. Just keep turning them around until they behave. I might keep this a little simpler. I want some gold in there. I've got some golden, iridescent gold. And I like putting a little tiny bit of the neon pink into some Anita's white metallic. And then a Hot Orchid. I'll just keep turning that around. Let's try it with a straw this time. The truth is I don't need any coasters. But they do have these little tiny clips you can put on the back of small things, or, you know, the glass, and make them hang on the wall. So why not? And hopefully I can keep coming up with something. Well, since this is mostly Anita's white metallic, and I should put it on this side, I'm going to try some of my color shifting red from Folk Art. And some actual red, if I can find it. There it is. And some pink. Hot Orchid. And a little blue. And some purple, which is an Artist Loft amethyst, I believe. You know what I don't have in there that I want in there is some Arteza Electric Blue. I'm gonna have to check my turntable after this. This is kind of weird and highly unusual. Oh, you know what? I want to take a chance. Oh God, no. Okay, maybe on the next one I'll do more yellows. That's interesting. Not really. That doesn't look like it's very well shaken up. I don't know how this is going to work. It might be embarrassingly terrible. Or absolutely fabulous. I kind of want to do one of these as a swipe. Maybe I will. Hey, it's a first try. Just put a little tiny bit more. I'm definitely not competing with anybody who knows what they're doing. Yes, I'm going to mess with it with my finger. So let's do one that's a swipe. However that happens to go. I'm not even imagining. Alright, I'm going to use my palette knife. Maybe I'm not. I need something that's the right width. That looks like it's the right width. That's pretty. Definitely. I think I like it better than the flowers. That's gorgeous, actually. Look at that. Yep, that's my favorite. For sure, for sure. Except for that little line right there, which I'm going to camouflage. Okay, I want to do that again. I want to do that with one of those. I wonder what would happen. That's not my favorite one. I really like that turquoise in there. Might be too much paint. Let's just put some right on. Cell activator right onto the card. Will we get anything, or is there just too much paint there? I wonder if torching would help. Hey, 3 out of 4. It's coming up. That's my favorite. I've got one more to go, and I think I'm going to try and do it. I don't know if it'll cover or not. It probably won't. So I better put enough of a base coat. Oh, somebody's car alarm went off. Always convenient for recording videos when somebody's car alarm goes off. Let's put a little bit of the dioxazine purple down the center. And a little bit of the golden product, iridescent gold. A little bit of the red, which looks kind of odd right now. The electric blue from Arteza. And the hot orchid. Question is it enough? You know what I'm missing? I am missing the cobalt blue, which is turquoise metallic, from Artist Loft. If you guys have questions, please feel free to ask me. Scrape off my swipe card. I'll even wipe it off on my silicone mat. Just going to put one bead right along the edge. Kind of want some of that yellow in there. I wonder if I can get away with it. In a sort of a random pattern. See what happens. Not as interesting, not on top of the white. The nice dry base works out best, I think. The second side worked better. Maybe I'll double swipe the first side. That's too bad. I got one good side. Let's see if torching will help. So there's over 93,000 subscribers on my channel. I should be careful. That's the inside of a dog food bag that's working. I just want to get rid of the flowers entirely. Is that terrible? That is terrible. I'll put my favorite one over here. I really love that. This is a little strange, but I'm pretty sure I can camouflage that mark. Any way I look at it. This is my favorite. Let's do something with this. Let's do something electric blue. Hot orchid. and gold. I hope there isn't too much paint on there. Let's pull it this way toward me this time. Yeah, I got enough black on there. I'm going to float it toward the outside edge. I'm going to take my residuals and put it right down on top of the missing corners. So flowers to swipes. I think I'm going to try and torch that too. So I think I started to tell you guys, I'd love to have a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind giving me one. I don't remember which one of these wasn't painted. I'll probably remember. I can probably look at the video. Duh. There's a like messed up senior moment. So, coasters away. That's not my favorite, but these three are awesome. And I kind of like this. I don't think I'm going to do anything to that. So let me see what I can do as far as showing you guys what's going on here. Let's move my brake. Grab my rack. Excuse me. Shut off my timer. I have 2 minutes to tell you guys I do sell my artwork. I don't know what I'll sell these for. They're gonna be little tiny things to hang on the wall. Yeah, that's gonna work okay. You can see them all now, pretty much. I could resin them, but I don't resin things. Because there's too much dog hair and dust in my house. Let's see if I can zoom in on. That's cool. That's cool. I like that better and better. That flower is still pretty nice. I could probably teach myself how to do better flowers. I love the swipe coasters though. Ooh, they are nice. Alright, so look at my link tree, the first blue link under the video for Facebook groups, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. My spring clothing has a link there now to the store. My Amazon link is there with my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. And all kinds of great stuff is on the Amazon link. And if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out. Thank you guys for all the donations that help keep me painting and help create videos and tutorials. And if you want to be in the monthly drawing and you make a donation through PayPal or Patreon, you can find the icons on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner or the links on the link tree. And you can see the prizes being offered, the paintings that are up for grabs at the beginning of the exhibition video. On the end screen video, it's the exhibition videos changed every month, and it's at the very beginning of that you'll see those prizes. My email address is below the link tree. If you click show more, you'll find my paint pouring recipe and my cell activator recipe, as well as my email address where you can contact me. If you use the hashtag and the file number from the title, you can request information. You can also request information regarding a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida with me that's private. Please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, watch them longer. And I have created playlists and all playlists, and if you look for them, you'll find over 2,000 videos there. And they are separated by topic and genre and by the 100. Oh, check out the clothing made in Montreal on Le Gallerist, which is the top link. I think it's still the top link on the link tree. Thank you guys for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. And questions are fine, so if you have them, please ask. And if you're looking for Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums of older YouTube artworks, and I hope someday to fill it up with everything. But I'll have to stop doing this first in order to have the time to do that. And Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes and More, I'll take you to fineartamericapixels.com to look at all the merchandise that's there. There's over 1,400 items there. The spring clothing has plenty of all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts, and I'm trying to upgrade that site right now. I don't think there's anything else I can tell you. I think I did it. I think I did it fine. All right. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. say